Hello, friends. Today I'm going to read a story, Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. Friends, this story has art by James Dean, and the story is by Eric Litwin. Everybody check out Pete and his school shoes. Pete the Cat, rocking in my school shoes. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street in his four furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Oh my God, y'all. Pete the Cat is about to get on the bus. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to the room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? You guessed it right. The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings his song. Wonder what his song is going to be, friends. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Oh my God, I love Pete's song, friends. He's making everything about his school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and a tall slide. Oh my God, he's outside playing in the green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Wonder where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. Wonder what his song is going to be this time. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. Playing in my school shoes. Oh my God, I love Pete the Cat's song. Everything is about his school shoes. Friends, Miss Jackson loves shoes as well. I have a bunch of them. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. Pete's song is so wonderful. He's loving school and his new shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, everybody look at Pete's mom. She looks so cool. Pete made it home riding the, yes, you guessed it, bus. So let's see what he said when his mom asked him what he did at school today. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. Oh my God. And I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good. The end. Friends, I can tell that Pete the cat loves school. He made up a song about his shoes, and he told his mom he had fun at school, and school was cool because he was rocking in his school shoes. Hope you enjoyed the stories, guys. Bye.